say photo finish.
What's your website? What's your email?
It's House of Brands. Go to the website. Let's follow down like this. Our flower smells like this.
Smells pretty good. Let the camera smell. Yummy.
Check this out.
Let's go.
Yeah, thank you.
Every week we have 10 new strains. I'll give you one personal gift. I see you have a joint. You do some testings? Should we do some testings?
Yes. YouTube page. Right here.
Cali. Sleek design, as you can see. Boom. We sell the vibes. Okay. People buy experience. Okay, so what we're gonna do is some testing.
Yeah.
What makes it the best?
You know, a lot of companies, what they do is like people sell pretty much everything else. For example, we have check this out.
This is cannabis. That's real stuff.
Thank you. Enjoy the size. That's for you.
Sure, gents.
Thank you.
Hill brand, please tag us. We're gonna repost it. But besides everything, we just chill. We're sharing some vibes. Yeah, we can make some money. But generally, we want to make final customer.
Amen. Awesome.
Yeah,
Cannabis
You
is
can stand us for YouTube. Yeah.
Shall we?
Yep. Thank you very much.
Yeah, they're kicking us out. I said I think they're doing the kick out right now.
What's the website and what's your handle?
He was like somebody, but not me.
Everyone was.
Speed run. Let's throw it in one of the trash cans. We got a speed run. What up? Everything's broken down now. sell it, man. But we got to get every booth, or they'll complain. No, I mean, even if there's nobody there, we show the booth. And I think we did.
Oh, we might have done a couple of these yesterday.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think we're done. Huh? Do you want me to get you and be like, that's a wrap?
Alright. That's it.
I don't know, but it's
We did it. We done did it. There it is. Every board.